sir. Time now for this hour's car review. And I was fortunate enough to get a look at the MX-5 Miata RF Club.
Is that their track car?
Well, yes, it is. There's the Club and the Grand Touring, so they have two trim levels. Now, you'd think that the Grand Touring would be the race car. No, the Club is, and it's really not a race car per se, but it has some stuff on it, like buffed up brakes. It's got different stuff on it in that different suspension. But
it's the car they make that they want you to take straight to the track. Ultimately,
I don't know.
It'd be nice if we had a car review so we could cover all that.
Here's the problem with that. Because the RF is a retractable folding roof. So it's heavier than the convertible, because the convertible top is a cloth top. You just plop it down and you're good to go. So it's not as heavy.
It's retractable hard top.
They do not have a roll bar. It doesn't come with a roll bar. That's an aftermarket thing. So, and if you're going to race it, you got to have a roll bar. You got to have certain safety equipment mounted onto it. So, okay, did I answer that question for you?
Yes.
Okay, now can you be quiet and let me do my car review?
Yeah, why don't you do your car review, Don?
This is a two-seater
Clock's
car.
running.
So it's got 2 seats, so 2 passengers. No babies allowed.
You and Leslie.
Exterior changes from last model year, none. The regular Miata redesign was in 2016. This is the 4th generation. Exterior features, this car is small. Sharp looking, small, tiny sports car with a retractable hardtop. Long hood, short trunk or deck lid with proportionate front grille. Very short deck lid. And I point that out because, well, you'll find out in a minute. Front and rear lighting have distinctive looks and modern design. It's a clean overall design. What could use improvement? When the roof is up, the B-pillar or buttresses obstruct over-the-shoulder viewing. So there is that. Now, the interior highlights include things like a 3-gauge instrument cluster under a curved sunshade. The infotainment screen sits atop center dash, controlled by a knob on the center console. Not a big fan of that, but it works pretty good. Well-placed shifter with easy-to-use HVAC controls. Comfortable seating, believe it or not. However, for a man that's 6'1", your knees will be in the dash with the seat pushed all the way back. Just saying. Cargo trunk room, very tiny. Remember I told you about the deck lid?
Yep.
It's very tiny.
Full of a roof.
There's room in there for one overnight bag because the roof folds down into that portion of the automobile. What I liked about it, the simplicity of the interior. What could use improvement? Center console has an itty-bitty, teeny, tiny little storage compartment that you can put nothing in. The lid serves as an armrest. You could seriously, you could put nothing in it. I don't even think a pack of cigarettes would fit in it. I don't know why they even did it, but whatever. 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, non-turbocharged, non-supercharged. It's a straight 2-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder.
Which has been the history of Miata.
181 horsepower. Now you say, well,
that's pretty good.
That ain't much, but the car doesn't weigh much. There's not much of a car there. 151 pound-feet of torque, 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, an automatic is available, but
why?
What? It's a sports car. You don't have automatic transmission in there. Mileage, 26 in the city, 34 on the highway for a combined of 29. That's what it's rated. I got 33.9.
Nice.
Over 353.1 miles. High revving, well-sorted 4-banger.
Yep.
I don't know how else to put it.
They've been building them for years.
Yeah. And they've made improvements throughout the years. Obviously, with the gas mileage on it, that's pretty awesome. What could use improvement? If I were to offer them any suggestions, it would be a turbocharged option for about maybe 210 horsepower. Give it a 20 horsepower, 30 horsepower boost. That would be, and I bet you could probably do it yourself.
Tub it out.
Probably void the warranty, but who's counting? What I liked, quick respond, Response to the ride and handling, the driver input, excellent. What could use improvement? Where's my invite to a road course event? That's all I've got to say. I mean, for a journalist...
Talk to Richard Tomlin.
Yeah.
No, it would have to be through Mazda because we have to sign a document that says, no racing.
The regular one, it says no
noisy.
track.
It has a noisy cockpit, I will say that. Base trim price $35,750. Prices tested $40,610. Base model price $38,950. Competitors, Toyota GR 86. That's GR 86 for Gazoo Racing. 28.4. Ford Mustang 2770. Yes, I had to throw it in there because there's not a whole lot of competition.
Yeah.
And then the Mazda Miata MX-5 with the soft top starts at $28,000. And that's my review of the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata RF Club.
Good-looking little
The
car.
In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app. Look for In-Wheel Time Car Talk.